Welcome to this presentation on a lightweight multi-vector DDoS detection framework for IoT-enabled mobile health informatics systems using deep learning. This research was conducted by Ashwani Devi Aguru et al. And published in 1st February 2024. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we address a critical security challenge in the rapidly expanding domain of Internet of Things enabled mobile health informatics systems. The theoretical gap we identify lies in the current limitations of anomaly based intrusion detection systems, or IDS. While these systems are inherently suitable for detecting complex, evolving multi vector distributed denial of service attacks, their deployment in time critical healthcare environments is hampered by prolonged processing times, excessive computational complexity, and an inadequate preservation of crucial temporal features. Our research posits a clear hypothesis, a novel anomaly-based IDS framework, leveraging stack-modified gated recurrent units, or MGRU, can effectively detect and identify multi-vector DDoS attacks in these sensitive systems. This framework is designed to offer lightweight features and deliver user-specific results, thereby overcoming existing performance bottlenecks. Our baseline assumptions are foundational. We recognize the inherent susceptibility of Internet of Medical Things devices to DDoS attacks, the time-critical nature of mobile health applications, and the capacity of deep learning models to efficiently process large volumes of IoT data while automatically selecting pertinent features. We assume that anomaly-based IDS remains the most effective strategy for managing the complex and adaptive patterns of multi-vector DDoS attacks. Our methodological approach is grounded in a robust mathematical framework and a two-tiered system design. For attack modeling, we employed queuing theory, specifically using an M/G/C queue to estimate bandwidth consumption and an M/M/1 queue for resource exhaustion. This allowed us to quantify the impact of attacks on medical and electronic health record database servers. The total attack probability is derived from the combined probabilities of bandwidth and resource depletion, where the probability of bandwidth depletion is directly proportional to a constant alpha and inversely proportional to the attacker's inter-arrival rate and the number of open channels. Similarly, the probability of resource depletion is directly proportional to a constant gamma and inversely proportional to the attacker's inter-arrival rate and the total resources of the victim. Multi-vector DDoS attacks are mathematically represented as an additive sum of multiple single-vector attacks, considering both packet rate and bandwidth contributions. Our core deep learning component is the Modified Gated Recurrent Unit, or MGRU. Unlike a standard GRU, which comprises a reset gate, an update gate, and a candidate state, our MGRU architecture simplifies this by removing the reset gate. This modification reduces computational complexity without compromising performance for our specific application. As the update gate effectively manages long-term memory, we stack 3 MGRU layers to enhance temporal feature preservation. The framework includes two distinct IDS instances: the Binary Classification Engine, or BCE, which performs a binary classification of traffic as benign or malicious, and the Multi-Label Classification Engine, or MCE, which identifies specific types of multi-vector DDoS attack vectors. BCE alerts non-technical users regarding attack presence on the electronic health record server, while MCE provides detailed attack type identification for technical users on the medical database server. For dataset selection, we meticulously analyzed various benchmarks and chose the CIC IoT 2023 and CIC DDO S2019 datasets due to their comprehensive representation of prevalent multi-vector DDoS attack labels. These datasets underwent rigorous pre-processing and handcrafted feature selection to optimize model training. Our empirical results demonstrate the superior performance and efficiency of the proposed framework. Both the binary classification engine and the multi-label classification engine achieved high statistical significance across key metrics. For BCE, we observed an accuracy of approximately 98.48% on the CIC IoT 2023 dataset and 98.4% on the CIC DDO S2019 dataset. The MCE, designed for multi-label classification, showed even higher accuracy, reaching around 99.85% on CIC IoT 2023 and 99.82% on CIC DDO S2019. These high accuracy figures were complemented by strong precision, recall, and F-score values consistently above 98% for BCE, and often exceeding 99% for MCE across various attack types. Convergence rates were robust, with training and testing accuracy and loss plots showing stable and rapid convergence, indicating effective learning and generalization without significant overfitting. Error analysis, derived from confusion matrices, revealed very low false positive and false negative rates, confirming the model's ability to accurately distinguish between benign and malicious traffic and to correctly classify different attack vectors. A high density data summary highlights the lightweight nature and efficiency gains of our MGRU based models compared to standard GRU. For instance, BC stacked MGRU layers exhibited a model size of approximately 29,425 kilobytes compared to 30,031 kilobytes for its standard GRU counterpart on CIC IoT 2023. More critically, the MGRU models achieved a reduction in combined training and testing time, approximately 63.82 minutes for BCE versus 65.09 minutes for standard GRU on CIC IoT 2023, representing nearly 2% reduction in time consumption. Similar improvements were observed for MCE. This translates to faster attack detection times, crucial for time-sensitive healthcare applications. Overall, the IDS instances trained on the CIC IoT 2023 dataset generally demonstrated slightly better performance metrics than those trained on CIC DOS 2019. The theoretical implications of our findings are substantial. This work directly addresses the critical need for lightweight and user specific DDoS detection within the highly sensitive context of mobile health informatics. By demonstrating that a simplified deep learning architecture, specifically our modified gated recurrent unit, can achieve superior performance metrics, including higher accuracy and significantly lower computational complexity and faster detection times. We challenge the prevailing assumption that increased model complexity is always necessary for robust deep learning solutions. This is particularly relevant for resource constrained IoT environments. Our approach validates the efficacy of anomaly based IDS in handling the intricate and adaptive patterns characteristic of multi-vector DDoS attacks. Furthermore, the introduction of user-specific output through the binary classification engine and multi-label classification engine highlights the importance of tailoring security alerts to different stakeholder roles, from non-technical medical personnel to expert cybersecurity teams. The foundational queuing model for attack analysis provides a robust theoretical framework for understanding the mechanisms of resource and bandwidth depletion, enhancing our predictive capabilities. This research significantly contributes to the future research frontier by opening several avenues. It encourages further exploration into optimizing deep learning architectures for extreme resource constraints, pushing the boundaries of what's achievable with simplified models. It underscores the urgent need for the development of specialized, real-world datasets for Internet of Medical Things security, particularly concerning multi-vector DDoS attacks, as current benchmarks are often generic IoT datasets. Our work also sets a precedent for designing IDS with highly tailored outputs, moving beyond generic alerts to actionable intelligence for diverse user groups. Ultimately, it paves the way for integrating these lightweight IDS solutions with advanced real-time mitigation strategies, potentially leveraging distributed ledger technologies like blockchain for collaborative detection and response across a multitude of mobile devices. In conclusion, this research presents a significant contribution to the field of cybersecurity in mobile health informatics. We have successfully developed a novel, lightweight, and anomaly based intrusion detection system framework specifically tailored for multi-vector DDoS attacks in IoT enabled mobile healthcare systems. Our core contribution lies in the introduction of two user specific IDS instances: the binary classification engine, which provides essential binary attack detection for non-technical users managing electronic health record servers, and the multi-label classification engine, which delivers granular attack vector identification for technical cybersecurity teams overseeing medical database servers. Crucially, we demonstrated superior performance and lightweight properties by employing stacked modified gated recurrent units or MGRU, achieving a notable reduction in model size and approximately 2% faster detection times compared to standard GRU models, validated across the CIC IoT 2023 and CIC DDO S2019 datasets. Looking ahead, our research outlines 2 to 3 specific high-level directions for future work. First, we aim to develop a dedicated testbed for capturing and generating a real-time multi-vector DDoS attack dataset from actual Internet of Medical Things devices and mobile healthcare traffic, addressing the current lack of domain-specific benchmarks. Second, we plan to integrate an authenticated encryption with associated data, or AEAD based lightweight authentication protocol for IoMT devices to enhance the overall security posture by addressing the authentication gap. Finally, we intend to design a comprehensive multi-vector DDoS mitigation framework that leverages our detection results, potentially incorporating a trust-based blockchain system to facilitate collaborative detection and achieve even faster response times across multiple mobile devices.